Come here, Clovis Edge. Today, that's my Wild Hearts, another part of it. Let's get it.
I owe you an apology for doing my own thing back there. I just couldn't afford to let the Rasetsu get away. The Deathstalker and I have quite a history.
Really?
What I want to know is
Oh,
what it's doing on the island. Its territory should be a long way northwest from here, around Otsuki Castle, Governor Ishido's old stronghold. Not that anyone calls it by the name anymore. Not now it's surrounded by snow. You hear it called Fuyufusagi Fort.
I ain't never pronouncing that. Ever. Never pronouncing that.
It's too much for my brain. How about paying the sensei a visit?
What's the matter with you two? You both look very grave.
Well, it's a long story,
No scary
but...
for real.
What a fascinating development! Arasetsu has covered the Summery Spirit Isle in ice, you say? Oh, yes. This warrants a detailed investigation.
You tell me about
quite
this.
an unusual phenomenon indeed. You would never normally expect ice kimono to appear somewhere with such a disparate climate to their usual habitat.
Maybe not, but that's what's happened. It looks like hell's frozen over there. Quite literally.
Kimono are like humans. They avoid inhospitable areas. They naturally accumulate in areas that are favorable to their existence.
You sure
Now,
about that?
imagine the prevailing climate on the Spirit Isle. Would you expect an ice and snow kimono to choose such a sultry location? At the very least, wouldn't it be drawn to the more moderate temperatures along the Harugasumi Way?
This Deathstalker is powerful enough not to care. You remember Otsuki Castle, the seat of Governor Ishido, don't you, Sensei?
Ishido.
It was magnificent. Blossoming flowers all around, life everywhere. Now they call it the Frozen Fort.
Ice
True.
cold.
It's a shadow of its former self these days. The kimono brought blizzards and ice to the whole area. I think there's a correlation between the failing of Minato's karakuri years ago and the increasingly violent kimono activity since across Azuma. The fate of the Great Bear may be relevant too. I hear the area where it once slumbered happily is now a barren wasteland. The natural environment in these parts would appear to be undergoing some sort of rapid transformation.
That sounds plausible. Or not. I'm no scientist. So, what's our move, Sensei?
Well, we can't afford some protracted observation of kimono behavior now. No, we need to focus on this wolf.
Oh, yeah.
If my hypothesis is correct, I'd expect to see a physiological change in its gut. In any part of its body that absorbs celestial thread, in fact.
Right. So I guess it comes
Back on
down
the
to
hunt.
you again.
Oh, yeah.
Huh. A little overzealous.
Nah, I'm gonna get back.
I hope you know what you're
Embarrassed
letting
me last
yourself
time.
in for. Still, we can't afford to ignore the threat this wolf poses to Minato.
Back in the fur coat, baby.
There is one problem we need to address first. The kimono's primary habitat is around Fuyufusagi Fort.
And?
But I hear the cavern that leads there collapsed during the Earthbreaker's advance.
Okay.
So, we'll need to clear the way before we can proceed. See if Ren and her crew can help with that.
That should come from you. She owed you a favor or two, doesn't she?
You're not getting...
Alright. Fast forward. Well. If it isn't Chicken Little. Or to say, Raven's bootleg ancestor. Hey, come here.
Your skin. You won't be able to stand it for long. So you want to be shrewd.
I ain't gonna lie, I got like, ooh, I ain't gonna lie, like,
Releases its fumes, it stops still.
well, like, yeah, a cool stomach.
We should have put together a category to help you out.
What is that? Poison? Oh, yeah, poison. What style?
Finished!
Oh my god. Minky! What style?
complete.
1 second. There's no way. There's no way. Get off me. Oh, you're a... Anyway. Nothing better. Not the rest off. Nope. What? You missed. Nope, you missed. Stop, you up again. Ah, you missed. Nice. Hey, hold this for me.
See how you like this?
Alright, how was that? Flashbang was
Hold in place.
Flashbang.
Eat this. So dizzy.
It's really angry now. Careful. You don't know what it might do.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. This for me.
Eat this.
Ooh, hit. Oh, no, I hit that. Ow. Good style. You look dumb. Hold that for me. Ow. You missed. And you wing. Tongue tie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold in place.
Hit the bomb.
How you like this?
Yeah. And. Ow.
So dizzy.
Fair enough. Non-match. Thank you for the O. Leaving? Alright. Good style.
Construction complete.
Thank you. Solar flare!
Complete. See how you like this?
I missed. He's running. Where are you going? Healing water. Yeah. Oh man. Thank God he missed. That would have hurt.
Finished.
The bomb jutsu. And I missed. You let me go now? Ow. Get up. Drink that. Hold that for me. And this.
So
Ow, got the poison. I did that wrong.
Finish.
There we go.
Eat this.
Come here. Ah, you missed. Alright.
It's living.
Big iron. I don't care. Beat this. One guy. What's on?
Hold in place.
Missed.
Now stay down.
Hey. Hey. Combos! Combo breaker. He's running. Coward.
Leaving so soon?
Over there, huh? Oh, I got an ally. I didn't realize that. I was just beating him up. What style?
Hold in place. Now stay
Oh,
down.
wow. That's great. Butt racing time. Hit! 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 Dang it. Messed it up.
Dizzy. Finished.
Come on, get over here. Come on. Yes! Good damage. Crack. Come on, get low. Oh, not that low, not that low. Not low. Ooh. Stop that right there. Hit, headshot. Pick it up. Ow! Oh, that. Oh, you got Yuki. Bonk? Okay, good bonk, good bonk. I respect it. Oh, I don't respect that. Ow! Why? Every time I heal. Okay, none of that poison. What's up? Okay, none of that poison.
Eat this.
Great. Bonk? Rinky? Oh yeah, combos. It's me. Stay down. Boom! I ain't gonna lie. He's gonna steal it.
Not the most auspicious start, is it? Running into a snowstorm? We'll shelter here until the worst is over. This place brings back memories too. I might as well tell you, I suppose. Years ago, I was living at the castle we are headed for as a hired hand. The daimyo was called Ishido Ujitsuna-sama. The Do in my family name Daidoji, and the Uji in my first name were both given to me by the daimyo. The Ishido clan were the Shugo governors of Azuma at the time. But the Ago clan, Shugo representatives in the western provinces, rebelled against the Ishido clan. The cursed tale trying to wag the dog. In the aftermath of the battle that ensued, the castle was attacked by Kemono. I don't know if it was happenstance or planned by the Ago clan. Either way, the entire Ishido clan was wiped out overnight. And I have a suspicion it's the same Kemono, the Death Stalker we saw on the Spit Isle. If it is, he needs to die. Agreed? You say all the right things. But a word of warning. That wolf is stronger than any other Kemono in these parts. I know from bitter experience. Out of all the Kemono I fought around the castle, that one was something else. Just don't get yourself killed. Hear the howl? It came from over by the castle.
Well. Look what we have here. Oh, you sleeping? Got you lacking, huh? Alright, Zuko, what's up? Huh?
What's going on? Is it the wolf?
Good style! Oh my god, I might be killed. That's trick! Oh yeah. Request ASAP, no rock. I'm out of my league right now. Where is he? Okay. Wait. Bad dog. Bad bark. In your leg. Yeah. Ah. Oh my god. That hurt. Need this. Oh. Okay.
Construction complete.
Explosion! I missed. I missed. Flag bang, white screen, paint, fill your vision.
Forward, hunters.
Fine company.
Ow! I'm finna die. I'm finna die. This man's not playing with me at all. Wow, how many? Nah, I'm cooked for it. Oh, hammer. Bad bark bark. Your leg. Ow! Jesus. Oh!
Destroyed it!
Oh. You're barking up the wrong tree, buddy.
Finished.
I'm
Eat
clever.
this.
Hammer time! Ah. Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Tee up. We game. Ow, didn't dodge that one. Bad bark. Ah, crap, stuck. Yo, please, mercy, ow! Drink flag! I'll take this. Get off me!
Destroyed it!
Mangy. Ah! I'm alive. I don't know how, but I'm alive. Oh, he messed me up. I'll just... Alright, bronchitis. Ah!
Running away!
Oh, no, you don't.
Indeed.
S-tier hunter, baby. S-tier assistance. I need help with this one. I'm glad you're reinforcing it because I was not ready. Bro does mad damage for no reason. That's crazy. Am I going the right way? Oh, it seems so. Yeah. Bro did parkour. Like, bro did parkour. Alright. How did they catch up? Oh, they took a probably faster than what I took. Oh well. Alright, Neo, I need to go there and do some hammer time. Lawrence, I don't know what you have here. I didn't see what's in. Get in.
Broke it!
Oh, a cannon! Binky! Man! One over here. We'll put your blockade out, believe it. Give me the loot. Can't believe it. Hammer time!
Construction complete. Eat this.
Something's wrong.
Ah, he broke it. Drink. Oh. Good style! Ow!
Complete.
I was protected, baby! Ow! It's the jets! Down that. Bro, this boy's boxing. Bro, boxing for real. Man! Great shot. Oh, turn it up. How your tail feel? How'd I feel? I was in between one of the spikes. I had lucky. That was this for me? You said it. Flag bang, white screen. Oh. Yeah. How that tail feel? Alright, about time for some Kamehameha. Bankai! Use Animaru! Yeah! Craig, move me out the way. I'll take this.
Do it for me, see? I can't do it
Appreciate
myself.
it.
Running away.
Indeed.
Ooh, salamander. I'm on the hunt. He's going higher. The situation dire. I'm on fire. Bars. What the? Okay. What's going on? Oh, they're over there. I was bamboozled. I thought there was air walking. No avatar. What's up?
Something's angry.
Give me this. Oh my god! I just got up here. I just got up here. Stop. I need like 5 seconds. Give me this.
Might be
Appreciate it.
useful later.
Alright, stop. Oh, you're a dick. Jesus! I just healed!
Destroyed.
Man, eat this!
Finished.
Making you mad.
See how you like
King!
it?
Hammer time! Oh, it's still gone. Thanks, gang. Some JJK jumpers. Oh, she's doing it. I bet. Fire! You're valid. You're valid. You're valid. So we have the hammer and the blitz here. Okay. 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 Oh, girl had the opera stopper. I respect it.
That's it then. Stirred up some memories I'd sooner forget.
Huh? No way. Oh my god, bro.
Masila. The bird?
Oh! Oh, big body. Big bodied him.
What now?
He said you too little. Oh. I was taking their energy? No Android? No 18?
I don't know what this is, and I don't want to. Let's go.
Agreed. Let's skedaddle. Time to skedaddle. Wait, box. Oh!
The so-called bird of auspice? What the hell's it doing here? Beats me. But one thing's for sure. That was the wolf that killed my master. Finally. I've avenged their deaths. Or rather, you have for me. This useless body of mine is good for nothing now. But this I had to see through. I thank you. Sorry. I was remembering those who were lost. This is no place to linger. We should get back to Minato. Then let's go. The sensei will be getting impatient. Oh, and this was... Never mind. Arigato, Chief.
I must say,
Well, we nearly came unstuck, but not that I was any use in the battle. Anyway, Chief, don't keep the lady waiting.
arigato. I realized this was a matter of retribution for you, Ujishige. But nevertheless, a life is a life. I take full responsibility. And this specimen will not go to waste. I will need time to carry out tests, however. I won't be able to tell you anything before morning.
Sounds like my work is done then. So I'm in the mood for drinking. A lot.
Sorry to keep you on tenterhooks, but I finished my examination of the Rasetsu now. As I'd predicted, a paltry amount of celestial thread remains in the Deathstalker's system. Far less than I would normally expect to see. It must have been struggling to absorb thread for quite some time, which probably explains its appearance on the Spirit Isle. It was trying to satisfy its hunger.
But why there? It's hardly the easiest place to get to. Why not head for the canyon first?
Yes, we can only conclude there must be some reason why it chose the island. The question is, what reason? Perhaps it was routed by a stronger kimono, for example?
Bakana. There's no other kimono that could have threatened that thing.
Well, nevertheless, it's clear that this Rasetsu was fighting for its life, searching desperately for celestial thread, which should ordinarily be abundant in these parts. Just as humans have fought over land and resources since the dawn of time, Kemono try to gain supremacy over those around them in order to survive. It's the providence of nature. Why else would it have appeared at the frozen fort? It was hungry and it set its sights on the Rasetsu and its territory, perhaps. But Amaterasu, the bird of auspice, is said to have lived for many centuries now. Assessing its behavior with logical reasoning may well be futile. Let us revert our attention back to the Rasetsu, and the attack on it by Amaterasu at the frozen fort. The after effects of that conflict may already be starting to show, in disturbances in the weather or surrounding flora, for example. I hope my fears are unfounded, but Minato could conceivably be affected, so I wonder if you'd revisit the castle and look around? Consider it a hunting request, if you will.
Nandayo. We escaped mortal danger only to be told to turn around and march straight back into it? Well, sounds like we got our orders, Chief. Let's just hope we don't run into any more of those wolves.
What is going on here? Hey, what's going on here? Anyway, I think we found where the last boss fight is. I don't want to walk between that. I think I got you. Fly!
Two different wars fighting each other. That kingdom shouldn't even be here. Not in a place like this. Chief, I think the sensei would want to examine it. Can you take it down?
Oh, which one? Which one? That one? Be alright. Alright, this one. Ah! Right up for me. all that. Luckily, remember you're mainly offensive base, which means that this should work well. What style?
Finished. Construction complete.
Hey, come here, lady.
See how you like
Oh, I missed by a hair.
Finished. See how
Bombs
you like
away. Boom. Mickey, fire blade. Hold that for me. You thought. Ain't that easy? Step. What's up?
Construction complete.
Yeah! It's me, baby! You're light work now. You're easy pack. Bungai. Easy work. Combos. Oh. Combos are gone. Oh!
Construction complete.
Hello!
All right, let's go.
Ow! Appreciate
Fine
it.
company.
You're a dick. Ow! Okay, I'm not down to a beginner boss. That's a no-go on my part.
Destroyed it.
Random stuff. Let's go. Let's get it! Let's cut it up. Whoa, let's get out of here. Beat.
Finished.
Oh, come on.
This.
I call BS. Roof hop. It's me! I'm built different. Yeah.
Down you go.
Look at you go. How was this working?
See how you like this.
Bonk! One guy. Do whatever you wanna do. Yeah. Ow. Fine. He's breaking them. His big body. Oh, you're breaking my stuff. Eat this. I'm fine. Ain't that deep. Come on, peasant. You're a peasant boss. Shut up.
Now stay down.
Don't stay down. I move. Really? Come here. Come on, folks, relax. Rotten bacon.
Let's go.
There we go.
See how you like this.
One guy.
Destroyed it.
How's the face feeling?
You remember the king tusk you hunted before? This one looks many times tougher.
Not really.
The effect of this territorial chaos, perhaps.
Bolter!
Construction complete. See how you like this.
Yeah. Flash bang, light free, can't feel his vision. Damn! Alright, Porky. You ran for like 5 minutes. Oh! That's already dead. That's a bit of hammer. Yeah! I need the horns. Alright, boys.
I had a feeling you wouldn't take much longer dispatching that thing.
Alright.
Excellent work.
Anyway,
Look at this place.
I thought that was very,
Spring blossoms
fulfilling session.
snowy peaks.
So I'm gonna see, hey, hold on. Move. Thank you. So I'm gonna see you boys next time. Peace.